Hello nail friends, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create a super fun and easy pastel acrylic nail with some Dior transfer foils. Today I am using double dip acrylics, you guys. If you have not shopped with them before, I highly recommend. Their acrylics are super buttery and creamy, and they are also dip powders, so I highly recommend them. They're super affordable as well. And you guys can use my code GLAMNAILS20 to get 20% off your order. This color here is a gorgeous pastel yellow, you guys. It was super buttery and creamy, super easy to work with. I love pastel colors. They look pretty on almost every skin tone. So I love pastel colors. And I'm going in with these nail foils here, you guys. And to apply nail foils, you just go right into the wet acrylic. They stick on super easy, and they pick up really easy with your brush. So I love nail foils too, super gorgeous. Love the way that this looks over the acrylic here. And I'm sorry I did not get to film these first two nails for you guys, but these powders are also from Double Dip. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. And I used some glitters on my middle finger there that I could not find. I got them from Nail Supply Glamour, and they don't have them anymore. So any glitters you guys would like to use, again, to place the glitters, I just place them right into the wet acrylic. Or you guys, if your acrylic has dried, you can always just go in with the little bead of clear and use that to pick up your glitters. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are super cute nails, super fun for Thanksgiving too. Loving the colors. I hope you guys are doing well. Super excited for Thanksgiving. I hope everybody is safe and doing well. Let me know down below, and let me know down below if you guys love pastel colors as much as I do. I think that they are beautiful any time of year, and they're just absolutely gorgeous on everybody. Let me know, you guys, down below. And if you guys have not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to see you guys join us. I review tons of nail products, and I always show you how to get the best beautiful salon quality nails at home. So just hit that button below. And you guys, I am going over this with my aimeili no wipe top gel, and it is as simple as that, you guys. These gorgeous pastel Thanksgiving acrylic nails using double dip powders, super easy, super fast. I will link everything down below for you guys. And now we are going to go in with the fun part. We are going to get some designer nail foils. This is a Dior designer nail foil. I put in the Imethod Beauty transfer foil glue, cured that for 60 seconds, and going right with this gorgeous Dior foil. You are pressing this into the nail, you guys. When you think you pressed enough, press again. Really rub this into your nail, and to ensure you get a perfect, smooth, and flawless transfer, okay? And make sure, you guys, with the foil glue, whichever gel or glue you are using, use a lot. Do not be stingy with that, because that is what is going to help the foil adhere to your nails, okay? So we are just pressing this into the nail to get a perfect transfer. And then you guys see it transferred off perfectly there. And of course, I cannot have any nail set without bling. So I'm going in with these super tiny small gold crystals. I got them from Amazon. These are gold, and I am going around the border of the nail. Okay, so first of all, I applied a builder in a bottle, mainly on the outer edge where I want the stones to be, and then I went in with the no wipe top coat. Placed those crystals all over the pointer and the thumb too, you guys saw there. And that is it, you guys. These beautiful pastel designer nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Bye.